Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's do this, and now we have to scroll down to actually very bottom. As you can see here we've got the developer options, but if you cannot find this option on your device, no worries, now I will show you how to activate it. So let's enter the About phone. And here we have to find the build number, which is right here, and all you have to do right now is simply keep tapping on it until you will see the info that you're in a developer mode. Probably you will have to tap on it something like about 7 times. So after showing your device, after showing you the info that developer options has been activated, then you can go back, and as you can see here we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And as I said, here we've got a lot of advanced settings which we can customize. So as you can see, we can inactive apps, we can don't keep activities, we can, for example, disable USB audio routing, we can show GPU view updates, we can change the transition animation scale, show surface updates. Actually a lot of advanced options which you can customize. So in order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, actually next to it, and as you can see it has been immediately applied and activated. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want just by tapping on the switcher again, and as you can see it has been turned off. Of course you can see the options without the switcher, for example like here in the window animation scale, but all you have to do is to simply tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So actually if you are done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on this switcher here, and as you can see some of them are inactive. After getting back they should disappear, but if not they will just stay here, and you will be able to always enter them and turn them on if you'd like to customize them again. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.